The insane story on how Google was founded. In 1996, Larry Page and Sergey Brin met at Stanford while pursuing their PhD degrees in computer science. They started working together on a search engine called Backrub, which aimed to analyze the relationships between websites by examining their backlinks. Backrub's approach was revolutionary, as it ranked pages based on their popularity rather than simply the number of times a keyword appeared. By 1997, Page and Brin decided to rename their search engine Google, a misspelling of Google, which is a mathematical term representing the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. The name reflected their mission to organize the immense volume of information available on the web. In September 1998, Google Inc. was officially incorporated, with its initial funding coming from friends, family, and notable investors, such as one of the co-founders of Sun Microsystems. Google's first office was a garage in Menlo Park, California, and its early infrastructure consisted of inexpensive computers built using standard components. Google's breakthrough came with the introduction of its PageRank algorithm, which ranked web pages based on their importance and relevance. The algorithm evaluated the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to a page, which helped determine its ranking in search results. This approach provided users with more accurate and useful search links, distinguishing Google from other search engines of that time. In 1999, Google received its first major investment of $25 million from venture capital firms, including Sequoia Capital. With this funding, Google expanded its operations and relocated to a larger office in Mountain View, California. The following years, Google saw rapid growth and expansion. In 2000, it launched its AdWords advertisement program, enabling businesses to display targeted advertisements alongside search results. AdWords, later rebranded as Google Ads, became a significant source of revenue for the company. In 2001, Google introduced Google Images, allowing users to search for images on the web. The same year, it also launched Google Groups, an online discussion forum, and acquired Deja News. Google's popularity continued to soar, and in 2004, it held its initial public offering, IPO, under the ticker symbol GOOG on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. The IPO made Larry Page and Sergey Brin billionaires and cemented Google's position as a leading technology company. Over the years, Google expanded its product portfolio beyond search and advertising. It introduced Google Maps in 2005, revolutionizing the way people navigate and explore the world. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube, the popular video sharing platform, which further enhanced its influence in the online media landscape. In 2008, it introduced the Android operating system, which quickly became the most widely used mobile platform globally. That same year, Google released the web browser Chrome, challenging the dominance of Internet Explorer and other browsers. In 2015, Google restructured its corporate entity and formed Alphabet Inc., a holding company overseeing Google and its various subsidiaries. Larry Page became the CEO of Alphabet, while Sundar Pichai took over as the CEO of Google. And that was